Hi, today I'm going to show you how I transform my working desk from looking like this into this. Welcome to Branco Works. I needed a new computer powerful enough for video editing, so I decided to remodel the desk as well as the surrounding space. I removed everything from the room and started to prepare the walls for painting. I wanted a darker color for the office, so I decided to go with a dark gray. For the new computer desk, I choose to use some Alex drawers from IKEA, and for the top of the desk, a kitchen countertop that I cut to fit the space. Attach some cabinet legs to the drawers to create a small space between the drawers and the countertop. This was inspired in other YouTube videos and desktop setups that I've seen around the web. Then I marked and cut a hole on the top of the desk for better cable management. I was finally ready to start assembling the computer. This is my main computer setup. Gigabyte gaming motherboard with an Intel i5 core processor, GeForce GTX 1050 Ti graphic card, MK Slayer keyboard, Logitech MX Master wireless mouse, microphone Siren X from Razer, Infinity Neon case from Knox, and a 27-inch curved monitor from Samsung. I'm still gonna keep my Mac Mini as a secondary computer. The monitor attaches to the desktop through an extended metal arm. The cable management was done under the desk, and although I know there's still room for improvements, I'm very pleased with the final result. You can also see on the background some LED strips that I attached to the desk. So this is my new home office desk setup. Thank you for watching.